Well, let's do number 5, and for number 5 we have a principal of $74,000, and we're going to compute, we're going to find the difference in what you would pay. Well, first of all, we're going to find your monthly payment for 30 years and for 20 years, and for 30 years your monthly payment's $507.32. For 20 years it's $587.12. Then we want to compute the total of each of those over 30 years and 20 years and find that difference, and that'll tell us how much you save by paying off that loan in 20 years. And it turns out you saved $41,726.40 by paying off in 20 years rather than 30. So for number 6, we've got a balance of $3,200 with the applied annual percentage rate of 17% for 12, N is 12, paying monthly and over 2 years, and so the payment's going to be $158.22. And you know, we're computing these payments by the formula we had at the start of this section. And for number 7, we want to find out how much we would save a month if we took the lower of the two interest rates. And we're talking about an adjustable rate, an ARM, as it's called, and an applied or annual percentage rate. And the difference between the two is 1.7% or 0.17. And we're going to multiply that times the principal, divide by 12, and that'll be an estimate of how much we will save monthly if we use the lower interest rate. So now let's do number 8. And for 8, we're given this table of values, and we have to fill in the blanks. And we've got to compute the interest monthly on the balance. So the interest, by the way, is the annual interest is 22% or 0.22. We're going to divide that by 12, and that's the monthly rate. Now to find the interest, the first interest value, we multiply 0.22 divided by 12 times the value, the balance, which is $630. So I'm going to write that down. So the interest equals 0.22 divided by 12 times the balance is $630. And we get $11.55. And that's where this value came from. Now what we'll do, we had expenses of $530 plus this interest plus the $630. We'll add those together, and we made a payment of $420. So when we subtract this from the balance, the interest and the expenses added together, what we get is $751.55. Now we need to find the new interest rate. So to do that, we'll multiply that rate of interest, 0.22, divided by 12 times $751.55, and what we get is $13.78. Now we're going to add up the expenses, add the interest to the balance, and from that total subtract $360 That's a payment we made, and what we have left over is our new balance, and that's $510.33. Now this is a test question. You have to do this. Fill out a table. So now we have to find the interest for this blank. So to do that, we'll multiply our rate, 0.22 divided by 12 times $510.33, and what we get is $9.36. Now, to find our new balance, we'll add the expenses, 160 plus the interest plus the balance. We'll add those values together and from them subtract our payment of $420, and that tells us that our new balance is $259.69. Okay, so please practice that. Be ready for it. It'll be a test question. And we're done.